Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to see how to change your desktop background, like the images and stuff, like the wallpapers. Okay, so first you go to your desktop as usual, and then you go to personalize. You literally right click and go to personalize. So when this loads, okay, as you have seen, like my wallpapers keep changing and every single minute, as you can see here, because I made it to be a slideshow. But you can change this to a picture, like a single picture, and as you can see, the default pictures come up, but you can browse and then look for any pictures that you want to. I'm going to choose this one. Choose picture. So as you can see, it's right there. Yeah, I think that's okay. Okay, so if you want a picture, that's how it is. And that picture is literally constant, like it doesn't change. But if you want to choose a color, like one single color, you can choose any color that you want. As you can see, it's that color, but I know that's so boring. But anyway, as for me, I choose the slideshow. So when you choose slideshow, here it shows choose albums for your slideshow. So as for me, I chose pictures because that's where I want the wallpapers to be. And you could just click browse, and then look for any folder that you want to. That's it. And then you can change picture every 1 minute, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 6 hours, 1 day. Yeah, but I want it to be 1 minute. You can shuffle or you can unshuffle. I want to be choosing randomly, and you can let us slideshow run even if I'm battery power on, and then you can choose it to fit. You could be changing it so that looks not good. Stretch. How is this working out? Okay, no. Tile. Okay, tile. Like you can choose whatever you want to. I'm just seeing how this stuff works out. But I think fill was fine. So we'll go with fill. So as you can see, my wallpapers keep changing. You can download these wallpapers from Google, like they're for free. You can download any that you want to. Those you want for the universe, those want pets, those want nature pictures, you can download whatever you want to, and then you put them in a certain folder, and then you choose that folder here and the slideshow. So they'll be changing every time you select 10 minutes. I'll leave it at 1 minute. Okay, so that's how we can change the background on Windows 10. Thank you so much for watching. Drop a like to this video if you really had fun with it, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing how-to videos. I'll see you in the next videos. Bye bye.